November 17, 2019, the first case of COVID-19 was discovered.
One patient tested positive for coronavirus.
COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
First death being reported now from Karnataka.
We declared a public health emergency.
घरों से बाहर निकलने पर पूरी तरह पाबंदी लगाई जा रही है.
This is a fight against COVID-19. The number of cases are going up. India's biggest hotspot.
Is India really prepared? Private laborers continue to work not helping India's cause are obedience. These are selfless corona warriors.
COVID-19 was declared a pandemic with such a wide reach and has led to a dramatic loss of human life worldwide. It turned the world upside down. Everything has been impacted. The economic and social disruption caused by the pandemic is devastating. Tens of millions of people are at risk of falling into extreme poverty, while the number of undernourished people, currently estimated at nearly 690 million, could increase by up to 132 million by the end of the year. Millions of enterprises face an existential threat. Nearly half of the world's 3.3 billion global workforce are at risk of losing their livelihoods. Informal economy workers are particularly vulnerable because the majority lack social protection and access to quality health care and have lost access to productive assets. Millions of agricultural workers, waged and self-employed while feeding the world, regularly face high levels of working poverty, malnutrition and poor health, and suffer from a lack of safety and labor protection as well as other types of abuse. With low and irregular incomes and a lack of social support, many of them are spurred to continue working, often in unsafe conditions, thus exposing themselves and their families to additional risks. COVID-19 is altering the lives of children, especially the most impoverished, to a catastrophic extent. Children already left behind will likely bear the brunt of the pandemic's impact, whether through missing out on life-saving vaccinations, increased risk of violence, or interrupted education. Lack of access to digital technologies keeps many children from learning. When schools' closure is instituted as a containment measure, such alternatives as distance education, e.g., TV or radio program, and online learning are deployed as alternatives. Out of all of these effects, we must rethink the future of our environment and tackle climate change and environmental degradation with ambition and urgency. Only then can we protect the health, livelihoods, food security and nutrition of all people, and ensure that our new normal is a better one.